So I got the low battery warning for my bedroom room sensor. So let's just go and change this out. Just a quick video and let's get started. So here is the bedroom room sensor. It's for the Ecobee and it's very easy to replace. Okay, so basically the room sensor it's been a while, but basically if you just slide it a little bit over here to the corner, it comes out easily. And this is the CR2032 battery. Just happen to have extras. Okay. Okay, so I got it out. Always remember which way to put the battery in. Positive, positive. It says positive side up. Oops. Okay, so now it's in. And battery has been replaced. And now it's showing that room sensor has been reconnected with the batteries changed out. So we are good to go.